Well, good evening. Good evening, Aishwarya. Good evening, Bhavani and Design. Finance and so on. Very good afternoon. Now come to yesterday's class. We have put a heading general form. General form. General form of G. Put heading general form of GP. So the general form is A comma ER comma ER square ER cube and so on. A into R to the power of n minus 1. This is the general form of GB. General form of GB. So here A is equal to first term. A is equal to first term. R is equal to common ratio. R is equal to common ratio. Common ratio. This is equal to the formula is T2 by T1. R is common ratio is equal to the formula T2 by T1. Nth term Tn is equal to nth term Tn is equal to the formula is A into R to the power of n minus 1. Sum of n terms Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R. You formula R less than or you formula whatever. Use this formula R less than 1. This is also equal to A into 1 minus R minus 1 R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. If R greater than 1, you can use these formulas. You can use this one. But write down all these things. Bold and write and answer, you can go for the problems. This is equal to n into A if R is equal to 1. So the general form of GP is A, AR, AR square, AR cube and so on. This is the general form of GP, geometric progression. In this, A means first term, R means common ratio. The formula is T2 by T1. So now nth term of GP, Tn is equal to find GP. That Tn formula is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Next one, sum of n terms is equal to Sn is equal to the formula is A into 1 minus R to the power of n by R minus 1. In the 1 minus R less than 1. Reverse A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus if R greater than 1. N into A if R is equal to A. If R is equal to 1. I mean. Yes, sir, from H1. Okay. What about the remaining people? Scientist, okay, very good. Very yes, very good, very good. Allah. Okay, next one. Next, general formula. Sum of infinite terms of GB. Sum of infinite terms of GB. Sum of infinite terms of GB. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. This is the form. Very important form. Sum of infinite terms of GB. Sum of infinite terms of GB. Sum of infinite terms of GB. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Sum of infinite terms of GB. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. Now you can see some more problems on this one. Now write the first problem on this one. Formulas with the problem. Write down. Find the sixth term of the series. Find the sixth term of the series. Find the sixth term of the series. Find the sixth term of the series 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 so on 2 comma 4 so on. Find the sixth term of the series 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 so on. Now we have to recognize this series is in AP or GP. This is in GP. The common ratio is always equal to 1. You can assume the check out R is equal to how much? A is equal to 1 by 2. R is equal to second term by 1 by 1 by 2. There we take 2 by 1. R equal nothing equal to 1. 2 by 1. We can take any one, any two. Consider two terms. So the common ratio is same. Therefore, the series is in GP. The series is in GP. So H1 the answer is 16. Very good. Now we have to find our T6. Or we have to find out T6. T6 is equal to T6 question mark. So Tn is equal to formula is Tn is equal to formula is A into R to the power of n minus 1. Tn is equal to formula is Tn is equal to formula A into R to the power of minus 1. So T6 is equal to A is 1 by 2 into R. R means 2. 2 to the power of 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. N means because n value is 6. So 1 by 2 into 2 to the power of 5. 1, 2 cancel. So the value 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means 16 value. So 2 to the power of 5 is there. 1 by 2, 1, 2 cancel. 2 to the power of 4 remain. 2 to the power of 4 means 16 is the correct answer. So the answer is 60 is the right answer for next one. Very good answer. Nikita 60 rate, very good answer, and Aishwarya 60 very good answer. Okay, next one. In an GP, the first term is in an GB, the first term is in an GB, the first term is minus 3, and common ratio is common ratio is 2. Common ratio is 2. Find T7. Find T7. Find T7. The question is like this. In an GB, the first term is minus 3. The first term is means A is equal to minus 3, and common ratio 2 means R is equal to find T7. Find T7. Find out. See, common ratio is R is minus 2, not plus 2, minus 2. Common ratio is minus 2. Common ratio is minus 2. Common ratio is minus 2. Please check out. Common ratio is minus 2. Bhavani minus 192 Vaishnav. I hope minus will not get. Simply the answer is 192. I hope. Okay, very good. Minus will get minus 192. Very good answer from Bhavani and Vaishnav. Okay, we can check out. A is equal to minus 3. R is equal to minus 2. T7 is question mark. So T7 is equal to A into R to the power of 7 minus 1. Diagram here. And this is equal to A R to the power of 6. A means minus 2 into, A means minus 3 into minus 2 to the power of 6. So this is equal to minus 3 into, so here it is even power, so automatically becomes the value is plus. 2 to the power of 5 is 60, the close is 64. So the answer is minus 3 into 64. 12, 1 is there, 19, minus 1 is this value becomes positive here, positive because the power is even. The power is even, so the value becomes positive. So, but here minus is there. Therefore, minus is 64. 2 to the power of 6 value is 2 to the power of 6 value is 64. 2 to the power of 64. Therefore, the answer is minus 1 into the right answer. Minus 192 is the right answer. Next one. Which term of GP? Which term of GP? Which term of GP? 2 comma 2 into root 2, 2 comma 2 into root 2, 2 into root 2, comma 4 comma 4 into root 2, so on is 64. Is 64. The question is like this: which term of GP? Which term of GP? 2 comma 2 into root 2, 4 comma 4 into root 2, and so on is 64. We will find n value. We will find out n value is 64. 11 wrong answer from Ashwin. 11 is right answer from Ashwin. Very good answer from Ashwin. 11 is right answer. Okay, we can check out. A is equal to 2. R is equal to second term by first term. Root 2 by 2. 2 cancel. The value of R is root 2. So Tn is equal to 64. But find n is equal to question mark. This is the data. This is the data. The data is A is equal to R is equal to second term by first term. Root 2. Tn is 64. But find out n value. But find out n value. But find out. So Aishwarya has 11. Very good answer from Aishwarya and Aishwarya. Now, so Tn is equal to the formula is A into R to the power of n minus 1. So Tn value is 64. 64 is equal to A is 2. R is root 2 4 to the power of n minus 1. 2 ones to 32 times. 32 is equal to root 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 2 4 to the power of n minus 1. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 1 by 2 upside 8 to the power of n 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2. So it becomes 8 to the power of n 4 to the power of n formula m into n minus 1 by 2. So both sides bases equal, powers equal. 5 is equal to n minus 1 by 2. Send this one to the 10 is equal to n minus 1 or 11 is equal to n. The value of n is 11. The value of n is 11 is the answer. So Tn is equal to the formula is A into R to the power of n minus 1. Tn is 64 is equal to A is 2 into R is root 2 to the power of n minus 1. 4 so 2 is cancel 32 is equal to so on. Here root 2 is there. You can 2 to the power 1 by 2 and minus 1. So 32 is nothing but 2 to the power of 5. So this 1 by 2 into n minus 1 nothing but n minus 1 by 2. Both sides bases are equal, powers equal. 5 is equal to n minus 1 by 2. So the answer is n is equal to 11 is the answer. N is equal to 11 is the correct answer. Very good from all of them. Okay, all of yours, right. Write down one formula node. If TP is equal to, if TP is equal to A, TQ is equal to, TP is equal to A, TQ is equal to B, TQ is equal to B, then R is equal to, B by A 4 to the power of B by A 4 to the power of 1 by Q minus, this is the formula for R. Write on this formula is useful for us. The formula is, if TP is equal to some term, 6th term or 8th term, TP is equal to some other term, TQ is equal to B. How to find out, R is equal to B by A 4 to the power of B by A 4 to the power of 1 by Q minus B. Write on this formula. You can use this formula in the coming problem. This is very important formula. How to find R? You can use this formula. By using this formula, we can find R. Afterwards, we can go for the calculations. So the R formula is R is equal to formula is B by A whole to the power of 1 by Q minus P is the answer. B by A 1 by whole to the power of Q minus P. Okay. Now see if the problem. If the sixth term, if the sixth term, if the sixth term and 13th term, if the sixth term and 13th term of GP of a GP are 24 comma 3 by 16 or 24 comma 3 by 16 respectively, then find 25th term, then find 25th term, then find 25th term, then find 25th term. If the sixth term and 13th term of a GP, if the sixth term and 13th term of a GP are 24 comma 3 by 16 respectively, then find the 25th term, then find the 25th term, then find the 25th term, then find the 25th term. Now see how to find this one. So he was given sixth term means T6. T6 is equal to A into R to the power of 5 is equal to 24. T13 is equal to A into R to the power of 12 is equal to 3 by 6. He was this one. And he was asking T25. So Tn is equal to the formula is A into R to the power of n minus 1. A into R to the power of n minus 1. That's why 5, 13 is 12, n minus 1 is 12. So the given data is T6 is equal to 24, T13 is equal to 3 by 16. And this is TP, this is TQ. This is TP, this is TQ. So what is the formula for R? R is equal to the formula for R is equal to B by A, 3 by 16 by 24 whole to the power of 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. 13 minus B minus A. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. So this is equal to 3 by 16 into 24 whole to the power of 13 minus 6 is 7. 3 ones, 3 eights. 3 ones, 3 eights. This is equal to 1 by 16 means 2 to the power of 4. 8 means 2 cube whole to the power of 7. So whole to the power of 6. This is 1 by, the formula is 1 by 7. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So this is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 7. Nothing but 1 by 2. The value of R is 1 by 2. The value of R is 1 by 2. Nikita 1 by 7 is wrong answer. Wrong answer. And I said wrong answer. First of all, you have to find out compulsory R value. Without knowing R value, you can't do the problem. So for that, I have given the previously R given the answer R. Now we have to find out T25. T25 is equal to A into R to the power of 24. T25 is equal to A into R to the power of 24. T R to the power of 24. This I am writing like this is equal to A into R to the power of 12 into R to the power of 12. Bases are equal, powers adding. So 24 is an answer equal. It will be equal to. Now this value nothing but T13 into R to the power of 12. A into R to the power of nothing but T13. So that's why T13. What is the value of T13? T13 is equal to 3 by 16. 3 by 16 into 3 by 16 into the value of r what means 1 by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 12. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 12. So finally the answer is 3 by this way 2 to the power of 4. This is 2 to the power of 12. So 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 16. So the final answer is 3 by 2 to the power of 16 is the correct answer. The final answer 3 by 2 to the power of 16 is the correct answer. This is a big problem, but big problem is not a big problem. If you assume a big problem, అనుకుంటే big problem, small problem. So ఇక్కడ మనకు R value అనుకోవడం formula, R value formula. What is the formula for R value is once power cancellation, power cancellation. Where power cancellation here, this one. If power cancellation is nothing but this one becomes what happened is like this. See, 1 by 2 to the power of 7 into 1 by 7. This becomes this power is 2 to the power of 7 1 by 7. This 7 cancel. That's the power cancellation. This one, the power cancellation 1 by 2 to the power of. So 1 by 7 comes to the downward 7 into 1 by 7. 7 into 1 by 7. So cancel. This is equal to 1 by 2. That is the power cancellation. Write on this one. Please give me yes. So we can go next new problem. So mathematics is one somewhat tough when compared to arithmetic and reasoning. So don't worry, but go on practice. Definitely you will get good marks. So if any become student there, he will face some problem, but don't worry. You have to try to do. Then only you will get questions. Divided yes sir, gone yes sir. What about others? When it is okay. If it is over, I will come out. Please listen once again these videos. Anusha yes sir. See, already I am giving all videos for you. Please listen these math videos compulsory once again. Okay, see you next problem. Next one, right up. In an GP, the first term is 3. In an GP, the first term is 3. In an GP, the first term is 3, and the common ratio 2, and common ratio 2, and common ratio 2, and common ratio 2. Then find the sum of. Then find the sum of first 8 terms. First 8 terms. First 8 terms. The question is once again in an GP, the first term is 3. The first term is 3, and the common ratio is 2, and the common ratio is 2, and the common ratio is 2. Common ratio is 2. Then find the sum of the first 8 terms. Sum of the first 8 terms. So we have to find out S8. We have to find out Sn formula. So already I told you the formula. First of all, A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. R is equal to 2. We have to find N is equal to 8. We have to find out S8. S8 is question mark. S8 is equal to question mark. So what the formula is? Sn is equal to formula is A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus, because R greater than 1. R value is 2 means greater than 1. R value 2 means greater than 1. That's why you can use this formula. Second formula. So the formula is Sn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R. Why? Because R value is 2 means greater than 1. Now apply R values. This is equal to S8. N value is 8. S8 is equal to A means 3. R to the 3 to the R value is 2. 2 to the power of 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 3 into 2 to the power of 8, how much? 2 to the power of 8, how much is it? 2 to the power of 6 is already, we know that 64. 2 to the power of 6 is how much? 64. 64 into 2, 128. 128 to 256. 256 minus 1. 256 minus 1 by 1. So the value is going to be 3 into 255. So 3 into 5, 15, 1 is there. 15 plus 1 is there. 765 is the answer. The answer is 765 is the answer from Nikita. 250 is the wrong answer. Niharika, Nikita. Once again, 765 is the right answer. Very good answer. This is the method. Please give me yes after completion. Right, we are again. Next one. How many terms of a GP? 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 3 comma 6 comma 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 so on are need to give are needed needed to give the sum to give the sum to give the sum to give the sum 765 to give the sum 765. How many terms of GP? How many terms of a GP? How many terms of a GP? 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 and so on are needed to give are needed needed to give the sum 765. We have to find out n value. We have to find out n value. Eight is the right answer from Ashwin and Aishwarya. Very good answers from Ashwin and Aishwarya. See here, A is equal to 3, R is equal to 6 by 3 into, but find out N is equal to question mark. N is equal to question mark. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. So sum is given 765. 765 is equal to A is 3 into R is 2 to the power of n minus 1 by R is 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1. So here 3 ones, 3 2 6, 3 2 6, 3 5 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15. 255 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Minus 1 is 256 is equal to the power of n. So finally 256 means 2 to the power of 8 is equal to root of n is equal to h. So this is the root of 8 is equal to root of n is equal to 8. The power base is equal, power is equating. So this is nothing but previous problem only, nothing but previous problem. In previous problem, see what is n is equal to h. Now the sum becomes 765. Previous problem only. So the time is going to wind up within 3 minutes. So once again, you can reconnect. After winding, you can go for reconnect. Right. Completed. Please give me yes after completion. Yes from Nikita. Aishwarya, very good, very good. Next problem. If x is equal to, if x is equal to 1 plus a square plus a cube plus so on infinity, then find find a in terms of x. If x is equal to